She didn't fall. She was pushed, and she got up anyway. Her story starts here, in the dark, before the sun even knows her name. This is Grit and Grace, the story of a woman who was never given anything, never handed a single thing, and built everything from nothing but will. She wakes before the sun every single day, no alarm clock. Just that quiet voice inside that says, get up, keep moving, don't stop. Some people wake up rested and peaceful. She wakes up responsible. The weight is already on her shoulders before her feet hit the ground. Her feet find the cold floor. She does not sigh. She does not complain. She just stands up because there is no one else to do it for her. Every street she walks down reminds her why she cannot quit. Every corner holds a memory. Every crack in the pavement tells her story. These streets shaped her, made her tough in ways she never asked to be. The rough bricks under her fingers feel like old friends now. The loudest sound in the room is not the traffic. It is the voice inside her head saying, you cannot do this. But she has learned to ignore that voice. A bill on the table. An envelope she was not ready to open. A problem that no one else is coming to fix for her. Just her and the silence. Her fingers tighten around the paper until her knuckles go white. Another challenge. Another test. Another reason to prove she is stronger than she thinks. But she learned something the hard way. Pressure does not break her. It shapes her. It builds her. Every heavy moment is a brick in her foundation. Watch her exhale slow and steady. This is not defeat on her face. This is not surrender. This is a woman making a decision to keep going. She works in silence while the world sleeps, not for applause, not for recognition, but because survival does not take breaks, and neither does she. Her hands never stop moving, typing through the exhaustion, writing through the doubt, building something real with nothing but her own two hands. She teaches herself everything the world never taught her. Late nights, trial and error, pages and pages of things she had to figure out alone. Some nights the silence is louder than the noise outside. The weight of being alone with her thoughts presses down, but she has learned to carry it. No one to share the burden with. No one to tell her it will all be okay. Just her reflection in the window and the steady hum of the city below. Just her, just the quiet, just the weight she carries without complaint. The coffee grows cold, but she keeps working because stopping is not an option. She was never handed a map for this journey. No one showed her the way. So she drew her own path, one line at a time, one page at a time. Every line she types is a brick in the foundation. Every page she turns is a step forward. Inch by inch, she is building the life she deserves. She keeps going through the night and into the dawn, not loud, not dramatic, just steady, just consistent, just a woman who refused to quit. One morning, she looks in the mirror and barely recognizes the woman staring back. Stronger posture, clearer eyes. Something inside her has fundamentally shifted. Her jaw is set with a quiet kind of resolve. She is tired of being tired. She is ready for what comes next, whatever it takes. She does not wait to feel ready. She does not wait for permission. She just stands up, and the entire room seems to rise with her. And once she starts moving, nothing in this world can stop her. Every step is deliberate. Every breath is intentional. Forward and only forward. The door she pushes open is not just a door. It is a threshold between who she was and who she is becoming. Light spills through the crack. Light floods into the room and washes over her face. She does not look back. The old version of her stays on the other side of that door forever. For the first time in months, maybe years, a small smile appears on her face. Not a loud victory, just a quiet knowing that she is becoming who she was meant to be. She is not just surviving anymore, she is creating. She is designing a life with intention, with purpose, with every skill she fought to learn in the dark. She designed this life with her own two hands. No shortcuts, no handouts, just willpower and the stubborn refusal to give up when everything told her to. On the rooftop with the wind in her hair and the sky stretching forever, she stands taller than she ever has before. This is her moment. Not because someone is holding her up, but because she finally learned how to hold herself. Independence is not lonely. It is the truest freedom she has ever known. She closes the door behind her on the woman she used to be, the one who settled, the one who shrank to fit into spaces that were never made for her. The version of her that stayed silent when she should have spoken. The version that apologized for taking up space. That woman is gone and she is not coming back. She chooses herself, fully, finally, without guilt, without apology. Her hand rests over her heart because for the first time she is proud of what beats there. She sits in the quiet now, not because she is alone, but because she has learned to choose stillness. Peace is not a place, it is a feeling she built inside herself. Strength gave her freedom, freedom gave her peace, and peace gave her the courage to walk forward into a future she designed with her own two hands. She does not hate the woman she used to be, she thanks her. 2. The woman who struggled, who cried alone, who almost gave up. She thanks her for staying. Every scar on her heart was a lesson. Every time she fell became the foundation she stands on today. She is not broken. She is built from everything she survived. This was grit and grace. A woman who chose herself when the world told her not to. If her story moved you, subscribe and join us for the next one.